How to recover Snapchat account without phone number or email address. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google. At the top you can see that search bar, type in their Snapchat support. Now open this very first website, Snapchat support. You will land to this kind of page. Scroll down, you can see the option of contact us, tap on it. Now from here you have to select this option of I can't access my account. Tap on it. Scroll down and here select the option of I can't verify my email or phone number. Now just scroll down, you can see this option of still need help. Tap on yes. Now what you have to do is fill up this information. Firstly, type in the username of your Snapchat account that you want to recover. Now here you have to type in the email address that you have access with, not the old one that you don't have access of. Now here type in the mobile number along with the country code. Make sure you enter the mobile number that you have access of, and then here you have to describe about your problem. You can just explain as I have done it in this way. Hello Snapchat support, I want to recover my Snapchat account as I forgot the password. I don't have access to my email and phone number. And then you have to mention your username of the Snapchat account that you want to recover. Likewise, you have to mention the email address that you have access of so that they could send the reset link, and then you can type in hope to get response as soon as possible and then thank you. Make sure to enter the email address and mobile number that you have access of, and then you can tap on this option of submit. After you submit the request, Snapchat will get back to you within few hours or days. You have to keep on checking the mail so you will get the response from Snapchat support. And after you get the password reset link from Snapchat support, you can just reset your password and get access to your Snapchat account. This is how you can recover your Snapchat account without mobile number and email address. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.